honorable guests, first of all, I would like to thank Almighty Allah who created us as a best creations, as well as Darood and Salam to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear audience, today I want to talk about something very special about madrasa education. Do you know why coming to madrasa is so important? Here we learn about Allah, His beautiful creations, how to be good Muslims. We study the Quran, which is our guide in life. At the madrasa, you also learn about good manners, how to respect your parents, teachers and friends. We practice salah and learn important stories from life of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You also learn like other subjects like reading, math and language, which help you in your everyday life. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
মাশাআল্লাহ, সুন্দর বক্তব্য দান।